guys. So today's video is gonna be about the WhatsApp hacks, as I promised. So let's get going to WhatsApp. So like all hacks, this is also GitHub hack. So you go to the GitHub. By hacks I mean life hacks, not real hacks. So you just type Redknock WhatsApp dark mode GitHub. See my search. I have provided the link for this website anyway in my description. So in this you should put install directly with stylus. Yeah, so you see the install style, install it. So after that it would be installed there. So there's two, right? So now the previous video I installed the one on the bottom. The newest one is the first one there, which has this settings part. So in the settings you can change settings like this. So you see my profile is so round, right, like a circle. In this place you make it full and reset. Sorry, I resetted it, never mind. See, it's square there, and then when you make it like 25 approximately, yeah, so you can see it's quite a nice shape. And you know this WhatsApp dark mode has this access space, right? No problem, has a method for that too. So enable full screen mode. See, full screen. So I like this one, so I suggest this one is better. So these are just examples of things you can do with this. So yeah, um, so see you soon for my next video, uh, which is just gonna be about a boring thing, I think. Yeah, so look out for that video, and until then, it's a bye bye from me. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you like my channel, please subscribe it. And your opinions about this video, put it in the comment section below. uh, Thank you for your cooperation, and bye bye. Have a nice day. See you soon. Thank you.